Hi everyone, I'm back with another video and this time I'm featuring Tammy Tutterow's designs for Spellbinders. This collection is called Sweet Tweets and what's amazing about it is there's actually 21 dies in this set, so plenty to choose from. So it's primarily the birdhouse, which is so appealing with the bird, and you've got frames and this outer curved one as well. So I've gone ahead and I've been doing my card base, and here you'll see I've got my card matting, which I'm using 5x5, but this section here is actually cut from one of the dies included in the set, which is this one, and hoping you can see it's got like a little stitch detail, which is really delicate, very nice. So I'm just going to be matting those. The papers I'm using, I'm going to try and source papers when I can, because I have a lot of interest in those when I'm doing projects and the videos. So the papers I'm actually using are from a paper set, which is here. We have this on the website. It's very pretty. You'll see here it's got coordinating ginghams, pastels. I've gone for the greens with this project. There's pinks as well and lilacs. Really pretty. So that at the moment is in stock on the website, but not sure for how long. Okay, so I'm using my tape runner here from Scrapbook Adhesives. You'll see this is the one that dispensed the adhesive dots, which are brilliant because they can remove them if you need to. So positioning that into place for my card base. I mentioned that outer curved frame here, and I've just used an element with a little bit of the paper because I want to put that across the top as a little extra design. So that's going to go there. I've chosen to die cut all the little elements for the card out of white card, and I'm going to use distress inks to colour them. So we have Victorian Velvet, Mowed Lawn and Mustard Seed. The birdhouse, very charming in that it also cuts out that little heart, so you can reapply that, insert that back in, or use that as a separate element. So I just want to go in and use different colours, keeping in line with all the pastels really that I've created on the background. I just want to colour this. So I've just gone for the yellow for the birdhouse and just done the Victorian Velvet for the heart. You'll see the bird has all the elements you need, including its wing and tail. Also within the set is the flowers, obviously the little feet for the birds and the beak. You've got this very pretty design here which you can stamp onto for your sentiment. You've got a branch, leaves, as I mentioned 21, so lots of little dies in there, including the circles for the middle of your flowers if you wish. Brought my card back in. I'm going to assemble the die cut, starting with the birdhouse. Just going to put a little bit of liquid glue on there. It has got a roof section, so I've allowed a little bit of space just to put that at the top. I've cut the roof section just from some craft card, and that fits perfectly over the point. So Tammy Tutterow has used a lot of these dies to create fantastic felt projects. So you can use them to cut felt and thin fabric. Stop by the Spellbinders website and also Tammy's blog, and you'll see some amazing designs that she's done. I'm bringing in my bird now. I've chosen to colour him green with a little pinky red tummy. So I'm going to use some 3D foam squares here to just raise him up a little bit. So I'm using a large and a small. The beauty of these foam squares is that they're the same depth, so it doesn't matter if you use a combination. So I just put him on the side there, and then I can put his wing and his tail in place. So also I've created the flowers, and I've used the little circles that I'm going to put to the middle. bird is in place, I'm just going to apply those little flowers with the yellow centres. They remind me of flowers you draw when you're younger. Just going to put little 3D foam squares on the back, the small size. And I've left this card without a sentiment, but I'm thinking it would work very well as a new home card, or if you was to create two of the birds, reverse onto the other side, you could create an anniversary or even a wedding card. So just switch out the colours to suit the occasion. Here's the finished card. Hope you like it. In fact, if you do, please leave a comment on our YouTube channel. Just make sure you subscribe, please, and then we'll pick out a name and send it to you. So here's a reminder of what I've used. It's this die set called Sweet Tweets by Tammy Tutterow. 21 dies in the set, so you certainly can make a lot of creations there. Thank you so much for joining me today. Take care now. Bye.